When I was in Jamaica, I noticed that I've been seeing quite a bit of Marcy Chin. Well, some may say more than quite a bit because, well, to tell you the truth, the weather forecast for Chin City, hot. I took to her Instagram and I noticed that she had posted this image with the caption as a soul seller. So I say, you know what? When I see Marcy Chin, I gotta talk to her about that. What that mean?
Yo, some best load up your clip. Me not too do the bag of lip. Girl like me, I'm rich. You know, sister, me a bad bitch.
Watch broke boy, I'm 1 so me crazy my youth that I had man fun. I'm very miserable when my money done so. Me not spend mine, I spend fee one. You know I go, one Marcy Chin, one Chin City, big up yourself.
Alright, mad. So, yo, people them at Yaadman, I'm there with Marcy Chin.
Right, that's so.
Yo, first of all, you can spin around and show me where you are, where, please? Cause Jesus Christ, have mercy. Whew. I want to address something first. Come on, say it on your Instagram.
Talk about
say
it.
Somebody say, no, yeah, distract me, hold on. So somebody, say something about, say, you sell your what?
My soul.
How that go? More here. How was that interpreted? What one?
Me just interpret it as, yeah, me reach my boss.
Them say, when them
say that, that means say, them a see you.
So
and
next thing you know, the man say sacrifice people and them something the next, right?
Yes, I can't wait to hear that part.
You can't wait.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So them time they know say, yeah man, the money for a rolling no, not true.
You see?
So look, you know, there are Summerfest, this is the return.
Yes.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Your first performance here at Summerfest?
This is my first performance at...
Oh, talk to me about that. Tell me about coming on, say, but lock up for 2 years.
You know what? Actually, I had an experience with the Taste of Summerfest, which was like me being thrown into the deep end because I wasn't scheduled to perform or anything until like the night before. She was like, show up at this place X time. So I said, for what? A rehearsal? What's going on? No, the show. I said, but I didn't rehearse. And said, you're gonna kill it. You earned it. I said, okay, this is somebody that really thinks.
That's a while ago you just showed me and said, Joe have power.
Listen, and I didn't get a chance to rehearse or nothing.
Really?
No, and the only time the band got to learn my song was when I did the sound check at the Taste. So that was a wicked experience. But this time around, the real thing now, this was my very first one. And it was kind of surreal. It was like, oh, I'm out here doing it. But you know what?
Yeah.
I had fun.
Because guess what? I remember that. I remember your performance from the Taste of Summerfest. Because that was actually the first time I actually saw you. And I said, yeah, but now that you're telling me, I'm like, Jano, you never have no time for rehearsal?
None.
Yo, big up yourself, you know.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Appreciate it.
So look, I have one more question to ask you. If you were to cut right now, you reach a Summerfest, people are say you sell your soul. Next thing you know, I said next thing. Question. If you were to give yourself, your past self, advice, what would that be?
Relax. You got this. You think too much.
I respect that.
You are you. I'm tell. Yeah, same way so.
So what do you think? Is Marcy Chin a soul seller or is she a goal setter? Comment down below and let me know. I could talk. Alright, so people, thank you guys so much for watching this video and make sure to share, like and subscribe and stick around to watch more. Alright, I want to thank you guys who have been here, who saw this video, and I also want to say I'm sorry. I know that this video is a late upload. Alright, I am back in the United States. I've been trying to listen. All I'm trying to say is sometimes when life tries to catch up with you, sometimes all you have to do is slow down and sort out your life. Why? That's all I have to say. Alright, so people, look out for more uploads coming from Yaadman. We're out.